Hello, we are here on the retail side of our nursery at Burncoose Nurseries, and behind me I have Prostanthera rotundifolia, and isn't it looking incredible? It's just amazing. The round-leaved mint bush, as some may call it. As I'm doing this, you can smell it. It smells incredible. This is just a really great plant I wanted to show you because unlike well, it's not supposed to be a climber. It's amazing to grow up a wall. Highly would recommend doing that. It can be slightly frost tender, only going down to about 1. So it would need to be somewhere sheltered. But on the nursery, this plant is supposed to grow, needs full sun. But where we have grown it is behind our rhododendrons, in quite a sheltered position, in quite a lot of shade, and it's just done amazing. And I just think it's really a great alternative for a climber. Wouldn't it just incredible up a massive wall? It only gets to about 10 foot, won't get much higher, and you can prune it back. Also super easy from cuttings. We grow them, most of these ones all here, all the different varieties, and just a great plant to show you as it's looking amazing underneath here. Yeah, I would highly recommend. And yeah, it's kind of growing in a strange spot, but isn't that amazing?